hey. What's going on, little blueberries? Oh, no. Ah, where'd they go? Ah. Don't you eat my little blueberry buddies. Don't you eat them. Don't you eat them. Ow. Whee. Oh, we better hide. We better hide so he doesn't see us.
Daddy.
Where'd they go?
You want to see? Okay. When Mommy turns it off, you can see. Where'd your hay-hays go? What are hay-hays, buddy? Grapes?
Noddles.
Hey.
Hey. Okay. Hey, what's going on? Ah!
Did you eat those? Are all the hay-hays gone?
Daddy, stop.
You gonna let her out?
Mama, me.
You're gonna do it? Cassie wants out.
Daddy night.
Is it cold? Buddy, you gotta shut the door. Did you tell Daddy thanks for your grapes?
Daddy.
You're welcome.
Oh my goodness, mister. What do we say? Excuse me.
Daddy. Mama.
Excuse me.
Daddy.
He wants his whistle.
Your whistle?
He claims you have it.
Yes.
I don't know where your whistle is, buddy.
I think she's lying.
Daddy.
Do you want to go upstairs? Will you tell Mommy upstairs? Step. Say, look how tall I am now. I do think it's in there. One of them, the little slide whistle's in there. Where did it go?
Let me see.
You want to see? Look, there's nothing there. What's that? What's that?
Was that out here?
Trevor, what did Daddy do?
Whoa, what is that?
Oh.
Man, I go.
Great. Is that your cabinet?
What are you looking for? Did you hear it? I thought it was out there. You gonna let the dogs in? Let the dogs in. leave the door open, buddy. It's too cold. Tell them to come in or go out.
Out. No, no. Dad. Mama. Mama.
Tell Daddy you want it. Put it in your hand.
Where is it?
It's hard to keep him in one place.
Do you want it? You want it?
Tell Daddy to put it in your hand. Tell him again.
You want it later?
No.
You want it?
No.
You want it now?
Did you ask Daddy please?
No. No, Daddy. No, Daddy.
Are you going to say thanks?
Thanks, Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
You want to go upstairs?
Uh-huh.
Wait a second. What do you want to do? Tell Mama.
That.
Upstairs, step, step, step.
Uh-huh.
Okay. I'll see you in a few minutes.
Bye.
Bye.